Nobody likes pain. Nobody wakes up wanting struggle. Nobody asks for problems. But pain is part of every strong life. Every person you admire went through something hard: failure, rejection, loss, pressure, loneliness, doubt. And those moments did not destroy them, they built them. Pain has power, but only if you use it. Most people run from pain. They avoid it. They complain about it. They blame life for it. And because of that, they stay weak. Strong people do something different. They face pain. They study it. They grow from it. They turn pressure into discipline. They turn failure into experience. They turn struggle into strength. Think about the body. Muscle grows when it is under stress, not when it is comfortable, not when it is resting, when it is pushed, when it is tired, when it hurts. The same is true for the mind. Your mind becomes stronger when life becomes harder, not easier. Hard moments force you to think, force you to adapt, force you to change, and change creates power. Pain teaches lessons that comfort never can. Pain shows you who you really are. Pain shows you what matters. Pain shows you what you must fix. Some people break when life gets hard. Others wake up. They realize they can't stay the same. They realize they must become stronger. And that decision changes everything. You don't need a perfect life. You need a strong mind. Because life will always test you. There will always be problems. There will always be pressure. There will always be moments when you feel like quitting. That is where power grows. Not in easy days, not in comfort, not in peace, in struggle, in effort, in pain. Every difficult moment is a chance to quit, or a chance to grow, a chance to complain, or a chance to improve, a chance to stay weak, or a chance to become powerful. When life hits you, don't ask, why me? Ask, what can this teach me? When things go wrong, don't say, this is unfair. Say, this will make me stronger. Pain is not the enemy. Giving up is the enemy. Comfort is the enemy. Excuses are the enemy. Pain is a teacher. Pain is a test. Pain is a tool. Every time you survive something difficult, your mind changes. You become calmer. You become tougher. You become more focused. You stop fearing small problems because you know you can handle more. This is how confidence grows. Not from easy wins, from hard battles, not from comfort, from challenge, not from luck, from effort. Use your pain. Use your failures. Use your bad days. Use your mistakes. Use your pressure. Turn everything into fuel. The strongest people are not people with easy lives. They are people who refused to stay weak after hard times. They decided to grow. They decided to fight. They decided to continue. You have pain. Everyone has. The question is, will it break you or build you? Stand up. Try again. Work harder. Think stronger. Move forward, even when it hurts. Because pain can destroy you, or pain can create power. The choice is yours.